Okay, so I am currently, okay, don't mind my sideburn hair that's growing on my face. Even grow like this, you know, but the fact that this is coming in, I think this is coming in because I shave it. So when I start getting laser, I think I'm gonna like touch this first and then this, because that's very creepy to me. But anyway, so right now I just recently washed this wig, like literally just freshly washed this wig. I washed all my wigs, but I wanted to put this one on. This wig used to be orange, as you can tell by the roots, and I put a purple dot over it, so the color is kind of brown now. Okay, so just a secret, I ran out of this black Got to Be Glue gel. So my trick that I like to use is to use Gorilla Glue. Put the Gorilla Glue. I'm gonna place the Gorilla Glue here. I like to use this Tresemme the Firm Control spray. It is a hairspray, so I like to use that hairspray. And like when you're applying your lace, you always want to do this. And honestly, I probably don't even cut the extra lace off because I'm going to end up not plucking, but I'm going to end up putting makeup on and stuff. Move your hair to the back. Thank me later. The boys thought they only can wear this. The ladies, so can we. So I know my hair still literally looks orange, but I literally promise you guys, my hair is not orange at all. I think it's like just the brightness and how the light is just hitting it, the camera light, so blah blah blah. My hair is literally like a brown. It's like an auburn, honestly. Like my hair is literally like, it's like a, literally, it's giving me, I cannot think of her name, but she's a Disney character. My phone's going dead, but kind of skeptical about even doing these crimps in my hair because when you crimp your hair, you have to use hairspray, and I do not want my hair to be fucking sticky, and I just washed it, like, ugh. But I really want to try crimps. So yeah, I'm gonna try it, and if I'm really not feeling it, I'm just gonna go directly straight to pressing out my hair. But I'm trying to, you know, try to do different things. So we're gonna see how that turns out.